Hey guys, it's Diva Ash here. I hope you are all doing well and welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't done a look in a long while. I've had some family stuff going on, but I am back. It is summer, the sun's trying to come out in London and I want to do some bold bright looks. So the look I'm going to be doing today is a bright orange bold look as requested by my followers on Instagram. So if you're not following, make sure to follow me. It's Diva Ash UK, and today's palette that I'll be using is the Carnival palette by Stacey and in collaboration with BPerfect Cosmetics. This is what it looks like. So this is the palette here. It is absolutely stunning. Let me just open this up for you. These are the colors. As you can see, I've already been using them, playing around with them, and the two colors we'll be using today are Lit and Shuffle. So that's that gorgeous orange there, and then this mustardy kind of yellow over here. So if you do have this palette, get your palette out, and if you don't have this palette, then just get an orange and then a mustardy. So before I start doing any eye look, I do like to do my highlighter, my inner corner and my brow first. So I'll be taking the Ofra and Nikki Tutorials Everglow highlighter, which comes as a reel of 3, and I'll be using the lightest shade. I'm not sure what it's called, but that's the shade I'll be using because it's really intense and I love that on my eye. And I'll be using the 231 by Zoeva to do this. So I'm just going to take that on the inner corner. I'm not going to be doing too much because I do want to obviously let the orange stand out, and then I'm just going to take a bit, not into my eyebrow, but just take a bit at the top. I'm concentrating most of the highlight in the top of the brow bone. And then just taking a bit downwards. So that is the highlight that I'm going for today. So to create the bold kind of effect, you know, when you have that amazing line going there, and I'm going to be using an eyeshadow guard. You can obviously just put tape or whatever, wherever you kind of want your eyeshadow to end. So I usually, because I'm going to take it, smoke it out quite a lot at the bottom, so I'm going to place that around here because we are going for a bold and dramatic look. But as I said, if you don't have any of these guards, you can just use sellotape. Just make sure you take some of the tackiness off so it's not so harsh on your skin. So now we've prepped everything, let's get into doing the eyeshadow. I'm taking some of that Shuffle. Is it Shuffle or Truffle? Yeah, taking some of that Shuffle, and I've got a Zoeva 228 Luxe Crease brush. I'm using the 228 Luxe Crease. Hello, can I speak today? I'm using the 228 Luxe Crease brush by Zoeva, and I'm just taking the shade Shuffle, and I'm just putting that really high up, and this is going to act as our transition shade. Taking that right to the edge and bringing that in. Don't be afraid to go really high up with this color because we are doing a bold look. This palette is so amazing and so pigmented. I absolutely love it. I've literally dipped into that color once and this is the payoff that I've got. Conceal the edge and taking it right to the end. And I'm just using swiping motions to put this on. So once you are done with that colour, you will have something that looks like this on your eyes. Because we're going for a really bold kind of eye look, I'm going to take a packing brush, and the one I have is a MAC one. It's the 233S. No, I don't know, you know, they all just start coming off, but it looks like this. Yeah, that. So we're using that, and we're going to pack on the lit shade all over our lid. Taking this colour really high and winging that completely out. So I'm now going back into the lit colour and using a 224 Luxe Define Crease brush by Zoeva, and I'm just going to dip into that, tap some off, and I'm going to now blend these two colours with circular and swiping motions. If I feel like I've lost some of that yellowy at the top, I'm just going straight back in with the same brush that I used for shuffle. I'm just gonna intensify it just a little bit at the top. But this is meant to be a orange smoky eye, but I just wanted to add a slight gradient. So now that we've done the tops of our eyes, we're just going to go ahead and do the bottom, and we're going to be using the two same shades, Lit and Shuffle. Now in fact, I just remembered I still have the guard on, so I'm going to, you could just leave it like this and do the bottom of your eyes and then put on some lashes and you're done, but I am actually going to add in a thick black wing liner, and I'll be right back. So now that I've attempted to do this wing liner, I do have a bump in my left eye, so that eyeliner always comes out really crooked. I'm going to put some white in my lower lash line and then do black on the top lash line. So I'm just going to put on some mascara and some falsies, and I'll be right back. So guys, this is the final look created. I just put on some Tatty TL3 lashes. I absolutely love Tatty lashes, and yeah, this is the eye look. And say for instance, I mean, I like doing these eye looks because when I'm in a rush or something like that, I know I can just quickly do it. I don't even need to do the liner, just pop on some lashes and they look really, really good. I'm going to turn up the brightness. Oh, I'm going to turn up the brightness so you can see what it would look like in actual film in light, and now I'm going to turn it down so you can see what it looks like. Oh, the saturation's a bit bad, but you get the idea of how vibrant and how bright these eyes look. But these eyes are amazing for like holidays or hot days, and we don't want to spend so much time inside the house doing eyes that take like 2-3 hours. This is why I love these kind of eyes, because you can do it with loads of different colors. You can do a blue version, purple version, pink version, you can do whatever. And my next few videos I'm going to show you how to do more looks from this palette, because I think this palette is amazing and it's perfect for summer. So guys, that's the end of the video, and if you did like the video, then leave a thumbs up for me and subscribe to the channel if you would like to see more looks. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.